When we started the book project, we expected Harnessing Serendipity to be full of inspiring, creative ideas, and it is. But what we found is that it's also full of all sorts of really interesting applied science and technology. We went out looking for what collaboration artists do, and along the way, we somehow started finding out how and why what they do actually works. Barry Ross Reinhardt talks about the chemicals in the brain, what they do, what kind of effects they have on us, what you might want to elicit during a collaboration. And to make the chapter really fun, he goes further and explains the vocal expressions that people might make when a certain emotion hits them.
What are some of the emotions that are appropriate for events? I have come up with a list of 12 of them. I call them the flirty dozen. And it's because you want to flirt with your audience a little bit. You want them to feel different things. So what are those emotions? The first one is this. You want to get their attention. You want to startle them sometimes, surprise the audience. Create a little mystery, create some confusion. That's a good thing to do with an audience, because what happens is your brain starts going, what's happening here? Aha! That's the payoff sometimes for those mysteries. You get a revelation, aha! And that releases endorphins inside of you because there's something that you've just discovered. Everyone knows humor helps speakers. Why? Because it also creates dopamine in the system and it makes people feel good. And it usually is very connected to aha, because it's tension, often in a joke.
So there's all sorts of science in the book, as well as technology. And the best part about it is that all of the science comes to us in the book in a form that we understand. It's easy for us to appreciate because it's all in the context of human beings collaborating, which we've all experienced.